And here we go. Hey guys, welcome to Money Farming YouTube channel. And in this video, we're gonna be talking about the basics of logical algorithmic trading. Okay, yeah. So what I'm gonna be teaching you guys know is like basics of trading. Um, in a from the algorithmic trading point of views. Okay, so that you have better understanding of what is going on in the trading world. Okay, so um all right, so what I'm gonna do is start with the trading, and to start with that, um I got my Bitcoin chart here. Okay, so I'm gonna disable it, and in 1 hour let's go back and analyze this. Okay, now can you tell me what's going to happen next? What's going to happen next? Can you tell me? Not really, right? Like, I mean, we can guess like either it's gonna go up or it's gonna go down. We can flip the coin and like tell it, okay. But like if I tell you that see, the trading is a lot of people are coming in together and they are exchanging something. Okay, that's why we do it in exchange. We call it exchange. Okay, Binance exchange, this exchange, that exchange, foreign exchange, okay, forex market. So a lot of people are doing it, and like you have sellers, you have buyers, and they are like pulling it apart. So like uh, this candle we create is the auction that had happened. Okay, to show you that it's true, let me go to my Bybit here and show you this. Yeah, so check this out. Okay, this is Solana. I'm gonna go to the Bitcoin. See here. Okay, let's see the 1 hour. Yeah, 1 minute is fine. Is see what we are seeing here is sellers are here, buyers are here. Okay, sellers, buyers. They are agreeing on this price, settling price. So the exchange is happening. Okay. So if you can imagine this is as tug of war. I'll show you the real tug of war. Yeah. See here. Um. Okay. So I'm gonna go to the depth of the market and show you what's going on here. This is on 1 minute, right? I'm gonna go to, oh yeah, it's not on 1 minute, it's just the depth of the market. Anyway, so see what's going on here. No, it's like there's ongoing fight going on between buyers and sellers. You see, sellers are more, so the price is going to decrease. You see this. There are more sellers than buyers, so price was decreasing. When the buyer more came, price was increasing. Okay, now if I like tie the string here and say that it's a tug of war between buyers and sellers. Okay, um, and buyers, okay, and the war is going on between them. This tug of war. So what will happen is sometimes they will have more power, sometimes they will have more power, and as you lay the price down here, see, so now it will, so suppose this auction is going for 1 minute, this fight. So what will happen is there will be some starting point that where we start. Okay, we call it open. Okay, now suppose at the start uh, sellers wanted to take the price with their like there were more sellers. Okay, so what's going to happen, prices will go down. So, okay, now buyers are pulling there, right? So as the string goes like this, buyers are pulling it up. Okay, now suppose buyers has like went to the market like this and take the price there, and as the 1 minute elapsed, the price, it will look like this. So that will be the, this will be the closing price for that 1 minute auction, and this will be, this is gonna be um, so low of it, and this is gonna be high of it. So now when you tilt this and 90-degree, what you will see is this, right? So this is the candlestick that people talk about. Okay, this is that, so this will be green candlestick where buyer won that 1 minute auction or 1 minute tug of war fight. Okay, now suppose on that, on the another war, another 1 minute, sellers won that, right? So what it will be, it will be um, it will be red candle. Okay, so for the red candle, open is there, close is here, low is here, high is there. For the green candle, open is here, close is there, high is there, low is there. Okay, so this is how this auction goes. All right, and I'm gonna take the screenshot of it. um Save it. Yeah, so we got the um you know we got the explanation. Now let's see it in the chart. Now we see, now we know how the candlestick forms. It's very easy now to go back and analyze it. So this is the candlestick, right? Now, as I told you, the candlestick is formed. Now what happens is, like, as it is fight between like bull and bear, it's like there's something characteristics where you will see from the candle itself that, okay, buyers have won this game, now it will go up, or sellers have won that game, took the prices down, now the market will go down. Like that's that kind of scenario, and that's what we call candlestick sentiment analysis, or I would like to call it like, this Wyckoff candlestick analysis. Basically, I mean, it is like fundamental analysis, I would say. I wouldn't like give it a tag or something, but the one thing that I would like to say is this is the accurate way of classifying the candles for its use in trading. Okay, so this is how it's like classified. All right, bullish candlestick classification. Now if I show you, uh, see this one, right? So what is going on here now is, it's a it's a classification, it's a like a trend. It shows trend in the candlestick. So like if we start from here, so this is your bullish side, and this is your bearish side. I mean, from that point, so this will be more bullish. Okay, and this will be less bullish. All right, now in order to like see this one, like how do we code this in like trading strategy, I'm going to show you how to code it in Python script, like in trading view, or we can ask ChatGPT as well. It's like anyway, yeah, we can give this image to ChatGPT and tell it to write code. Yeah, that way we can do that. Yeah, so bullish 1, bullish 2, bullish 3, bullish 4, bullish 5, bullish 6, bullish 7, 8, 9, and 10. So as we have all this classification, okay, now making decision would be easy now. Would be easy now, right? Why? Because we are looking at it's like it in an objective way, okay? It's like we can compute this stuff, you know? So most of the time what you'll see is like from where market take over, like here, you will see this kind of candles, bull candles, okay? Like this kind of bull candles, so you will know that there will be continuation that will follow along, right? So that's what I want to like teach you to how to like code this one, so that like after you like see it, as you can see it in your chart, you can make decision basically. So this will be our first indicator that we code together, and I'm going to publish it in TradingView as well. So I hope you guys ready. So if you have guys any question, please let me know. So this is the for bearish one, bearish classification candlestick. Bearish candlestick classification is the same, it's just like colored red and tilted out though, reversed. All right. And then we're gonna look at blended candlestick and all. So yeah, let's go ahead and code this. Okay, let's go ahead and code this. But first, I'm gonna show you that these candles are for real. Okay, these candles are for real. So where here only. Okay, so see. Okay, I'm gonna like let it go, and you can see the next candle. Okay, I'm gonna tell you what's gonna go. You see this candle? See this candle? Does it look familiar to you? You know, see this one? See this one? It's like they are very similar, right? This one, you know. So that's what I want to show you, that like you know, after that there will be continuation that will follow along. See, and the market went up, right? And then from there we saw another candle of red, which was, guess what, very much related to the previous we had around here, which is so on this one, um, see, you can like have this one or this one fits the description very well. So you can see it's still very bearish. Okay, so you know so see, after that candle we saw the big down move there, right? So now let's see how many candles we can spot with that. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this, put it there, and then take this, and then keep it here, and then we're gonna see which candle it pops in. Okay, so hang on, I think I got better idea, I think. Okay, so this one. All right, and this one. Okay, so all right. All right, so let's see what's this candle is like. What is this candle is like? So what we see here, um what we see here is this candle, right? So how does it look like? See, so we got you know, this much. So it's like this one, right? So basics, so it's not much bullish, it's not much bearish as well. It's like it's in the middle around that. So you know, yeah, we can't say much, but we identified it clearly. All right, so let's move on. But still there's more probability that the market will go up anyway. Yeah, so see, so see, there's like it was exactly what it means. Like, no, it's not much bullish, not much bearish. Like market will go on sideways, and that's what happened there, you know. And see, you see these different kinds of doji. See this one, that's the like this, right? So you should always, you should see this, okay, this um this line. See, this is less bearish as we go here, meaning less bullish, sorry, less bullish, which means bearish, meaning as we go on this chart, the bearishness is increases. Okay, so this is less, this is more bearish than this one, but and this is less bullish than this one, right? It makes sense. Okay, and same goes here. See, this is bearish, so as you go on this chart around here, your bearishness increases. While you go around this chart, this way line, your bullishness increases. Okay, so so basically this chart, this and this, see this, so that's like sign of bullishness, you know. And as doji is like no sentiment. All right, let's see what's going to happen. See, you see this, see this, we even knew it before it happened. Right? And see, see, after this we got this, so this and this, so more bullish. All right, so that's what we have to do. And like, see, market went really up. You see this, we got this candle, right? This candle, then this candle, and then you see, so it's like we got that move even it started, even before it started, you know. So see, you can like analyze all of this. Okay, see this one, and then bullish, you know. So this is what we're gonna be writing Python script code for it, and then we're gonna be like seeing it, what kind of candle it is, you know. So let's get started. Hope you guys, you know, liked it. Let me know if you guys need me to explain you more. Okay, so we got that covered. Now let's code it in Python first, and then we code it in um, in yeah, and then we code it in TradingView. Okay, but first let's ask ChatGPT to write it. Like, can it do it or not? Okay, let's see. So I'm gonna give this image to ChatGPT. Hey, Trading GPT, can you write up, here's, okay, here's an image of Japanese candlestick classification, where we have categorized bullish candles in the scale of 1 to 10. So well, technically it's scale of 1 to 10 with BU as bullish. 1 1 to 10. Okay, now can you write a Python script, Python code um, to categorize this with good mathematical with good mathematical logic to classify these candles. All right, let's see. To classify a bullish Japanese candlestick shown in the image you provided, we need to write a Python function that examines the properties of each candlestick, such as the body length, the wick sizes, and the position of the body within the entire range of the candle. Then we can use this information to classify the candlesticks from most bullish to less bullish. Yeah, now that's really good. Yeah, so here's a high level logic for the classification based on the visual information. So B1 most bullish is full bodied candle with no wicks. See, this is where I have problem with AI and stuff. I mean, it's just assumes there's like no wick, but in real life you can see small wicks as well. Okay, but that's fine. BU2 is full bodied candle with a tiny lower wick. Okay, BU3 to BU5 is this can be identified by a large body and a small lower wick. BU3 has no upper wick, you know. So let's see. I mean, it's identifying it correctly, you know. It's like, even it's amazing to see that like BU3 has no upper wick. I mean, come on, man. It knows this stuff. All right. So okay, I'm gonna share it to you. Okay, so um so it has written the code. Let's see what I was getting into is like it is understanding was. Let's see what it does. Okay, I want to see what it does. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take a screenshot of this and give it to ChatGPT and ask it what's going to happen. Can it predict the future? Isn't it excited? We are already living in the future. We're giving something to AI and it recognizes like what the heck you're talking about. It knows. All right. I think I have also written code similar, something like this, but like not completely like this. So I mean, let's see what we get here though. All right. So I'm gonna go here. So pivot points, YouTube strategies, 4.2 multiple time frame analysis. Yeah, we did really good here, right? In the 4-hour candlestick trade setup. Yeah, man. I mean, after you apply the logic, it's like, I mean, everything else is, yeah. See. So let's go try it from there. Um, yep. So I'm gonna take it and do it like 4.3 candlestick and a computational candlestick analysis. Okay. So don't worry guys, I'm gonna be sharing the slides. How do we integrate and test our code accuracy? Oh yeah, do you mean yeah, Discord. Okay, I'm gonna share the Discord link. Um, so we can test our code with Freqtrade, you know. We're gonna be testing it with Freqtrade, and so this strategy that I'm writing right now, no, is like we're gonna first classify it. So where's my Google Slides? Yeah. So we're gonna first classify it like this with code, and then we're gonna be applying all these strategies and build a confluence around it. So for to add confluence, what we have is we have 4 hour time frame, right? So we have the analysis in 4 hour too, right? What I mean is actually, you know, so yeah. So I mean this, right? So you see this, these are 4 hour candles, okay? So as we see these patterns around, you know, low close, near close of that, or near low of that, you know, between these extreme points of like market distribution using viewer, then we like make a strategy and test it, you know. So that's what I'm excited for. So without further ado, let's just dive right in, okay? um, so I'm gonna share that in Discord. I'm gonna download it in PDF format, and then okay. So here's the um, trade for logical algorithmic trade and trading. Okay, logical algorithmic trading with Python. Okay, I think I should logical algo trading with Python. Okay, so I created the channel there, and I'm gonna uh, put this PDF there. Okay, hey guys, here's the presentation for the um, basics of algorithmic trading with Python and Freqtrade series series in YouTube. Okay, so you guys can have a look into it. Okay, um, I uploaded the presentation in the Discord channel with name basics of algo trading with Python, logical algo trading with Python, algo trading with Python channel. Okay, so let's go and do it. So I'm gonna run this, get it running, get 10,000 last candle, get all the analysis too, you know, it's like very fast, so it doesn't really matter how much is it. So I'm gonna take it off, you know, all of it. No, we have this only. So what I want to show you is basically, so 100, take it off, basically both of it. So we can see the candle now, right? Now what we want to do, let's run the code from ChatGPT and then do it. Okay, so I'm gonna go there, write the code there, classify candle type, right? So this is gonna be my candle type. Okay, so this is open, high, low, close, and for each candle we are performing this analysis. So if I do that, I'm gonna get a candle type for all the candles, what different kinds of candles they are. Okay. So you can see, let's test if its logic is correct or not. So if the candle is BU1, no, we wanna buy it. We BU1 or BU2, yeah, we wanna buy it. All right, so what I'm gonna do here, I'm doing long trade, entering short trade. If my candle type is BU1, then buy. Otherwise, as well, if there's my candle type is 2, then we buy. One thing I had to check though is like if it's taking all candle as like yeah, it's taking all the candles, so it's not really doing analysis on the bull, like it's doing analysis on the all candle. All right, now what I have to tell it is to do analysis only for the bull candle. Okay. To do that, see, that's why. So to do that, I'm just gonna say it's like close candle is greater than open, and let's see for it. Hmm, 184. Let's see it. So I'm gonna plot that one. So this it's only okay. So this one, right? BU1. That's BU1 or BU2. Hang on. 300 and entering long trade is none already, right? So we're gonna take it off and see. Check this out, right? See the power of this. See it for yourself. See here, it's like long there, long there. Here it was losing trade, small loss. Here, boom. Here again, boom. Right there we have like 4 winning trades, you know, just with very simple configuration, right? Okay, so so it's actually like classifying it right, to be honest, but still it hasn't done it right. So I'm gonna tell it that, so here no, it's like row, right? It's checking, so we can like we should use our intuition as well and like code it. Okay, so this is how I'm gonna code it or like make it right. So here we are doing the analysis for all those, right? So I'm gonna do analysis only if my row close is greater than, if my close price is greater than open price, then I'm gonna do it, this analysis. Okay, now I'm gonna ask ChatGPT to do the complete this code when close is less than open price. Or you know what, we can actually install git copilot. Okay, GitHub Copilot. See this one? As you write this code, it actually like auto completes it. All right. So, yeah. So what I'm gonna do, the analysis that we did know here. So I'm writing here, hey trading GPT, complete the rest of the code for bearish candle. Okay. So I'm gonna give this code to ChatGPT here, and it's gonna fix it. Okay, so check this out. All right, guys, I'm using ChatGPT 4, so you know it's better with code actually. So let's see. You see, guys, with ChatGPT, you know, doing this is like really easy, to be honest. So let's see. So this is the code now for bearish one. Okay. So see, it also skipped some of the code that redundant. So it's gonna go down and like code it actually, and it's also like writing the comment as well there. So it's easier for you guys to to see it as well. Okay, so see, we got the code for that. Otherwise it's doji. See, it also covers the code for doji as well. That's really cute. That's really good. So um we get that, and so this was our comment, so we got that. Let's see what we got now. See, we got bullish, bearish both now, right? Bullish is something, bearish is something, right? So now let's do it for bearish as well. So candle type bearish one, or candle type bearish two. You want to enter the short when the close is less than open on the bearish candle, and like this is what we got, and we got 344, right? So let's disable that and check this out. Yeah, so see, we got the trade setups for shorting too, right? See here and here. So this would actually like give us very small profit, whereas this one's like big profit, and the last one also like would be it would be this would be losing trade, but this like very big winning trade as well. Out of overall, on just this 500 candle analysis, we have like 1 2 You 3, 4, 5, 6 winning trades and uh, two losing trades. Yeah, two losing. See, this is a winning trading system on only on this chart though right now, but let's extend it and test it on the last on the 10,000 candles. All right, and see, let's see where the how these works. Okay, so I'm gonna do that, and it's gonna be 4.3, which is computational candlestick analysis. I'm gonna create a folder for it. You know, so um, so I'm gonna getting rid of this stat and the fill between. Let's let the fill between be there. Basically I want to show you something that like with 4 hours candlestick pattern emerge. No, it's like it performs really well. Okay, so let's do that. Okay, so 4.3 here. We can see the image now. See, good trade setup, right? You see, now we can add more confluence, like, you know, daily. I mean, this is where we can add confluence to the 4 hour candlestick actually. So yeah, see, you can see the trades, right? See here, it was like really good. Boom, boom. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna also write some, and we're gonna make it as a movie, combining all these PNG files into GIF or something like MP4, and then we're gonna see it. Okay, so you can see it, all the trade setups randomly we see. No, so this is what we are doing is visual testing. All right, so yeah, now I'm gonna go ask ChatGPT. Hey chat, hey training GPT, I got PNG files like this. Okay, I'm gonna show it the image. All right, copy it. I got PNG files like shown in the image. Can you write like, you know, command line in Linux to convert all of them and make it in MP4 file, one MP4 file with probably FFmpeg, you know. I mean, it would be using FFmpeg mpeg anyway. So this was my tree structure of PNG files. So it's gonna tell me what to do basically. So this is the code for it. So let's set the code and go here. That is done right there below. Do that. And so all the PNG file in that folder though. Okay, so what I'm gonna do here, take it, go to that folder, strategies 4.3, and then run this command. Okay, so it's gonna make one MP4, see out.mp4 and frame rate. So it's done now. So now we can see this video. All right, I'm gonna play it on 0.5 speed so you can see it clearly. See, so this is what I mean by doing visual testing. You know, you don't have to look at each image, just that um, yeah, you know. So as you see this now in your mind, all this confluence that you want to do will kick in. Okay, it will kick in, and then you can write the program for it. Right now I'm thinking of it like, you know, what should I do is like, I'm seeing the same if the 4 hour candle is like, you know, blue or like bull, then we take the long trade. Otherwise the 4 hour candle is bearish, then we take the short trade. Otherwise we don't take a trade. So yeah, so that simple confluence will also do the job, you know. But from the visual perspective it makes sense that like this can be a good strategy. And we haven't talked even the full if I do this analysis on 4 hour, you'll see the difference. Okay, it's in 15 minutes, so it's not doing much. So let me go ahead and do the analysis on lower time frame. Okay, on higher time frame basically. So I got that. Instead of 15 minutes, I want the 4 hour. Okay, get that, get that. Okay. Yeah, I didn't have to write that code anyway. Sorry, run that code basically. I got that, got that. Yeah, I don't need that, I don't need that. I just need this candle type, and then this 114, and then this. So, oh yeah, okay. So that, and here we go. So see, long, short is not there. So if I do 4,000 something, you'll see long and short both. Okay. So you can see the trades here, right? I mean, this is mind blowing trade setups just from the simple indicator. See, long there, long there. This was losing trade, but this was winning trade. 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 This was again winning trade. This first one was winning trade. Second one was losing trade. So you can see, you know, it's like the exponential growth that we are picking up with this simple indicator is really good. What do you guys think? Let me know though. You know, have you guys seen this kind of like classification in TradingView or like anywhere? I mean, I haven't seen it, you know. So if I go there, see candle, I see candlestick patterns, candlestick type. What is this? What is candlestick type? So 1 2 okay, how does it work though? Bar type 1, bar type 2, bar type 3. Okay, it's some kind of different system anyway. It's like I haven't seen this one, and like, you know, for analysis it's like very important. I see crypto toys here. You know, Atlantis is here today at 9:15. Yeah, as we joined Atlantis, hello brother. Dante was here too today. Atlantis, Dante. Yep. Hi guys. Welcome to Money Farming YouTube channel. So can any one of you guys let me know is like is does that made sense to you guys? I was explaining and writing the code. I mean, I didn't write the code, but ChatGPT wrote. I just like, I'm explaining you, but I did, you know, point out the error here, so you should be able to know that. Okay, yeah, so let's do this. Okay, let's get it and take it in Freqtrade and like test it. Okay, so this is the fun part. It's 4.3. I'm gonna take 4.4, and this is my computational. It's like 4.3 computational candlestick analysis. Okay, so computational candlestick analysis, and what we have to do is get this function, get it in our utils, you know, and go to that function, you know, and just get this one. Okay, so we got that, and here we're gonna hang on. Oh, it's this. Okay, so this is our function. Comment it out, put it there, or just like get rid of this whole thing. I'm just keeping it because, you know, sometimes we have written some like you know, confluence, so we can take reference from that, you know. So let's go and test it. All right, so I'm gonna first see it in the system strategy, this strategy path, user data strategies, config user data, and config is there. So I'm just gonna see it on the chart now. Okay, Freqtrade UI, so that we can see for all different you know, coin pairs, we can run this. Okay, so I got this, and this is computational candlestick analysis. Okay, so what is going on here? It's running, right? Yeah, it's running. Computational candlestick analysis, farming got in. Hang on, I'm gonna restart it again with some changes. 7173. So let's see. I think on this part, system computational candlestick analysis, money farming. money farming. So we got that. And so see, this trade was from yesterday's trade setup. Okay, you remember that, guys? Couple of days ago we live stream and we coded this strategy, and I see it told us to go down short here, and it did, you know, and it told us again to go long, and it did again. So see, this is what I'm telling you guys, you know, like there's another way to do like algorithmic trading analysis, which I call logical algorithmic trading. Okay, see, with logic, you know, you can really beat the market on its own game. Okay, so yeah, all right. So I think oh, sorry, this is this is from today's, actually. This is from this system, but like yesterday, you know, the trade was executed around here. Yeah. So yeah. All right, guys, you can see the, you know, trade setups on 15 minutes here. This was on Bitcoin. Here you can see it on Ethereum, you know. See, good trades here as well. Link, and XRP, see, and then Solana. And if we change the time frame to like 4 hours something, then you'll see a real magic of it. Okay, I'm gonna change the time frame to like first 1 hour and then later on 4 hour. Okay, then you'll see that like once you apply it to higher time frame, it will, it reduces the noise and then it gives you a good trade opportunity too. So, you know, I'm gonna refresh. It's 1 hour now. So let's see what we got in 1 hour. Good trades, right? See, short here, long here, long here. This was like bad call, but it's from like just candlestick. Okay, now we're gonna add some confluence, and I'll show you that like, man, this thing really good. Okay, so short again, long, short, long, long, winning trade, long, another winning trade, short, winning trade, long, winning plus losing. I mean, some, if you take profit after this candle, is like after this long moment, if nothing happens, then there's something wrong with the bullish trend. Okay, see, long trade here, long trade here, winning trade. So, you know, that was on Bitcoin. This is on Solana. So you can see it, and now I'm gonna do it for 4 hours and then we're gonna do it for 1 day. Sorry, guys. Gotta drink some water. Hang on. So I'm gonna refresh this, and it's now 4 hour. Trade executed. Okay, so Ethereum, see, this is the trade on 4 hour. Check this out on Ethereum. Short trade, boom, winning trade. Long trade, boom, winning trade. Another long trade, winning trade. Here short trade, this was losing trade. Here long trade, kind of winning. All of this long trade kind of winning, but like after that it goes down. Short trade, you know, see, winning. So see, it's like it's winning. Okay, it's a winning trading system. So I'm gonna test it. All right, now quick trade, back testing, strategy. This is the strategy, this is the strategy path, and this is the config file. And we're gonna test it on 4 hour, then we test it on like, yeah. So time list 2024 space and pairs is Bitcoin. And let's see what it, how it does, how it performs basically. Okay, there's no history. All right, let's download it. Config, we got the config here. Time range, we want it from 2023 till now for all the pairs. Basically it's 4 hour, right? So we can have more data. Right, so it's gonna download the data for every candlestick of every coin pairs. All right, so here we go. We got the data. I think 4 out of 5, 5 out of 5 with Solana to complete the data downloading. Now let's run the test again. All right, so yeah. So here we made but like one trade from 2024 since now. How we are exiting, just exiting long trade at long stop loss. What? All right, let's add some exit logic. So when I want to exit the trade, this like short trade is there. Okay. Yeah, profit, loss. So this force exit, and this is okay, let me test it from 2023. We'll have more insight, I think. Yep. So let's see. So see, it made money actually with 46% win rate on 4 hour 4 hour candlestick. We made good profit, 53.53%. You know, and yeah, Sharp ratio was not that much, but profit factor was good, expectancy was good. Yeah, if I do it 5x leverage, what will happen? If 5x leverage, let's see, 5x leverage, how much we got the profit. I mean, a little bit more, our win percentage get less. Yeah, drawdown also increase. So it needs some improvements, because as with I mean, we can adjust the stop loss, right? Like, the problem is this stop loss hitting more than this one for some reason. So what we gotta do, exit long trade a long stop loss, just short trade at short stop loss. Let's follow that. So exit long trade at long stop loss and exit short trade at short stop loss. So what is going on? What is our stop loss there? What the stop loss we have set? So this is the stop loss, right? Previous candle there, and then we forward fill it. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna check this out. Okay, is it true or not? So here I'm gonna say long stop loss, color green, and short stop loss, color red. Okay, so I'm gonna trade it. All right, let's see. So I'm gonna go here, refresh it. Okay, now we got the Bitcoin. Let's test it out. So I'm gonna overlay it. from strategy. What? Nothing? Are you kidding me? And now it's here. So see. All right. So this is, the date is 2023/11. All right. So as we entered here, stop loss was there, previous candle low, it went up. So what I'm thinking, no, let's trail that stop loss. Yeah. So stop loss didn't hit, so it stayed on the trade. And what we do, if we find another, like so here we have to like do something. Okay. Profit target is like so 1 2 3 4. Yes, like 1 2 3 4. So 1:4. If I do 1:4, I think it would be good, right? So there's that. Let's check our logic here. All right, so I'm gonna do are we exiting on there too? Like okay, let's see here. So I'm gonna disable that. And I'm gonna disable that, and let's see. So Freqtrade, backtesting, strategy, computational, candlestick analysis, 2023/11/01, pairs BTC USDT. Okay, let's see. Yeah, pure candlestick can be a trading strategy. Yeah, for sure. See, it made more money with here, you know, but why is it not exiting with this one? Long RR4 target. It's just like it's 4x, force exit. I want to get into this. I think so here long short entry price, we fill it. So I'm gonna plot long and short entry price too, okay, so that we can track it, you know, and the target too. All right, so I'm gonna plot everything. Yeah, this is what the fun of it, okay, plotting. So we got that. Let's let long entry price green, short entry price color orange. I'm gonna keep it lime, and then 1 hour long profit target color green, 2 3 4, and here short profit target color would be red. Okay, so let me check it out. Long 1 hour profit target. Okay, so I think we mistaked one. Long 1 hour profit target. So here 2 3 4. You know, I can basically like shift it here. Yep. So let's see there now. We have to run it again. So see, once we build the sentiment, no, it's very easy. All right, now we're gonna apply it to uh, confluence, like different indicators, like this on the next video. So see, as you see this now I'm gonna like, so this is on 4 hour. Okay, now I'm gonna add like daily pivot, and in 4 hour daily pivot, no, I'm gonna do it on 1 hour and then show you. Okay, or let's just do it on 15 minutes. So I'm gonna enable this, enable the 4 hour too. Now you see the confluence. Okay, yeah, then instead of let's do the 1,000, and yeah, you're gonna see it. Yeah, for sure. See, in thousands, fill between. So see how the candlesticks are like getting formed, right? So yeah, I'm gonna do it on 500 now, and then you'll see the confluence basically. So see, now see here, what we can see is that as you are in the support area here, then it's a good way to take trade. See, good trade to take trade here. Short is not good, long here is good. Okay, long here is not good, short here is good. Okay, short here is not good, long here is good. So see, now we are basically like doing false positive uh, identification and then removing it, you know. And then removing it. So hope you guys understood this. Okay, this is what we're gonna build, some like computational confluence engine later on, where you will decide how much confluence you want. Okay, from 1 to 10 score. If you really want to be conservative, 10 is your score. If you want to be like somewhat like, if you want to take a little bit of risk, go to with 8 score or something, like, and then like you can see the same thing that we applied here on candlestick pattern, we can apply it there as well. So so yeah. Now what we can do, so we actually like tested it, right, or not? Yeah, I think I deployed it again to see the entry price and target. So see, now we see the entry price and target. Now we can analyze it. Okay, so for short, I'm gonna disable it. For the short, I think it's causing us problem. Yeah, but the long side, see, right, the long side said very simply, check this out. Okay, so we're gonna test it and we're gonna see it. Okay, so see, this was our entry price, right? Long trade. My pen is not working. This was our stop loss here. This was our first target, second, third, and fourth. But we haven't done that. We are just like testing on the fourth one, right? Now let's do what we do. We take 50% position out of here. I mean, we're gonna code it later on. Okay, it's already I think 1 hour on the stream, so we can do it later on. 1 hour 14 minutes. I'm showing you that like that's your different profit target, and as we go, see it changed here, right? I mean, see the distance between this and this is same. Okay, That's how you like take R multiples basically. Okay, this is 2R. Come on, pen. Anyway, 2R, and then 3R, and then 4R, right? So here, so from that perspective, okay, if we test that, what was that? This was our winning trade. Okay, forget about this short. Okay, I'm coming to it later. This was also winning trade. See, this was losing trade. This was winning trade. This was another winning trade. This was another winning trade. This was another winning trade, and this was another winning trade, you know, but like it didn't went to fourth, but just like one only, you know. So this was losing trade, and this was losing trade. So what we can see here is that we can see all the trade configurations. So let's test it from where. So from 2013 1107. Okay, so 2013 1107. Okay, now what I'm gonna do here is so on the stop loss, long stop loss is there. If this is that, then we do that. Short stop loss, you know, but like exit, where is exit happening is only on the stop loss. Okay, so even if we have like short trade exit like trigger, and we are in long trade and we haven't reached our target, then we're gonna keep going. Okay, so yeah, and the thing is like see, as in this case, right? So we're gonna reach the target here. So let's see from that how, so we can decode the code what is going on, right? All right. So here I think it's not executing properly. Let me see what's going on, because if I chart it from that time, okay, let's see, plot data frame from that time, you know. So I plotted it, and then I'm gonna go to the plot, and we start one Python server, Python 3m http.server. It's running there. So I go there. Come on. All right, I have to give it different port, I guess. Bind address, specify alternate bind address, port is port, I'm gonna give it 74. Okay, why is there nothing in the directory? What? Where's the plot then? User data. Okay, here's the plot. Sorry guys. So Python 3m http.server 8074. Got that. So here's our chart, 4 hour, right? Now check this out here. Okay, now this is where we are getting into the depth of like analyzing what's going on. Okay, so um, why is it stop loss there? So we entered long trade there. Yeah. Stop loss. Okay, 2% stop loss, so 10%. Okay, hang on, I think I know what's going on. So here what we have to do now, I actually did it the 5x leverage. First do it on 1x leverage, test it. Okay, so let's test it on 1x leverage. The difference between like here is that you can be long and short both. Okay, see, now it made really good profit, right? With 3 winning trades and 1 losing trade, 75% win rate. Okay, see, exited long trade at 4 hour. That happened 2 times. Okay, and we can back test it. Basically we can see it here. See, this was the one time, this was the second time, you know, stop loss hit there. This could be the third time, but I wonder why it hadn't done this much on Bitcoin, right? Is this on Bitcoin? Yeah, this is on Bitcoin. So this now I'm gonna plot it again. Okay, and we'll see. So drawdown was good, less, you know, win rate was 75%, drawdown was 4.33%. So hang on, so I'm gonna plot the data and see. We got the data, we refresh it, and here we go. So this was our first winning trade. You see, it exited around here. Okay, exited long trade at 4% RR profit. This was our another trade. So this was our another trade. We entered here and we exited there when the price went to 4 RR, right? Okay, so that was our second trade. Now our third trade here, it was losing trade. See, fourth trade was winning trade, I think. Yep, but how come it's force exit though? Yeah, see, all right, here, see, okay, so the target actually got shifted as it went there, so we have to fix this. How do we fix it? We can just say that like whenever the new long trade comes in, you know, okay, let's fix it by, you know, um, yeah, because this trade setup is coming now, that's why it's shifting. So here what we can do is like we can keep track of this as it changes, you know, but the thing here is that we can get it inside the dictionary. Okay, so how do we do that? Is I mean, this is how I would like write custom exit, like trade position, like where, you know, we take partial exits. But I think we can do this tomorrow. All right, I think we are lot 123. Okay, I can do another 7 minutes. So we have to fix this. Okay, now what we can do, well, from here only we can store these 3 data. Okay, so what we can do, so as we enter trade here, you know, so there's one this one code called confirm entry price right here. So custom entry price, or there's also like confirm trade entry. See here, so here we come and what we do, we have this custom info dictionary on the top. Okay, so see here we have custom info, where is it? All right, so let's, if it's not there, then create the custom info dictionary. All right, so we can access it later on. And here what I want you to do, this confirm trade entry, right? So come here and get the data, all right, and here just like get all the information. So what do you do now is self.custom info pair. Okay, we need pair, so pair, and so we call it like I need for long for RR profit target, right? So how do I get it? So which is latest candle long for RR profit target. Okay, so here we have to check as well. It's like what is it, like order type, is it long? If it's long, then we have to do this. If it's short, then we have to do that. Short. Okay, so we are building a database here. Take the stop for stop loss too, I think. Long stop loss, long stop loss. Here keep the short stop loss. Okay, so this we got right now. Yeah, so here now what we do, here we get it. We say if current candle, if current rate is less than equals to so here we get we do self.custom info pair, and then we get long here, sorry, short for our profit target. So so here what we do first, now here we do get, if we have this coin pair then it's good, otherwise we get the we get 0, right? So that's the condition, and the same thing I can apply it to here. Well, so I do that, and this is gonna be long RR profit target. It's like greater than equals to, and now it's gonna be np.inf. Okay, so if it's like, see, if the current rate is greater than that rate, if this, then it will execute, otherwise if this doesn't execute, no, then it's gonna give us infinity, which it's not gonna pass that case. Same thing here, short stop loss, we need current rate less than equals to self.custom info.get pair short stop long stop loss, otherwise return exited long trade at long stop loss. And here it's like it's less than that, right? So minus n dot infinity. Okay, it's not gonna be less than that. Basically price won't be even negative. So yeah. Yeah, and same thing here too. So current rate is less than self.custom info.get pair short stop loss np.inf. So this is gonna be that. I think we got it right. So this we have to check and confirm trade entry. So let's go to Freqtrade. Confirm trade entry, right? So there we go, and What's the type? Order type. Okay, so order type is buy or sell, right? It's in the data object. Data object, trade object, I don't know what is it. Order type, is there order type? Enter tag is short, entry side, trade direction is long and short. So buy or sell, entry side, exit side, buy or sell. Otherwise, like we can see, okay, what is this order type? Side, we have the side, right? Hang on, side, buy or sell, right? This side is buy or sell. Okay, so every side equals to buy, side is sell. Okay, so we got that. Now let's run it. Okay, what happened there? Only one trade. I think we're not picking up here, so I'm gonna do some, you know, some analysis here. This is called debugging, so you basically like see if it's like if it's executing the code or not, like, you know, what you're writing. Basically that's where most of the problem generates. So here we got an error. Competition object has no better with custom custom info. Yo, custom info. All right. So guys, after this I'm gonna complete the video here. I think we are 1 hour 32 minutes into the stream. So see, this was empty. Custom info was empty here. So I think we have some problem over here that we have to solve. So here I think what's happening now, I have to see the value of side first. What is the side value? Is it like buy with capital B or what, or just like long short? So it says here that it's long. Okay, yeah. All right, so let's do long, let's do short here, and let's see. So this is debugging in real time, you know. All right, so how do we integrate and test our code accuracy? Yeah, this is what we are doing. See, now it's working a bit good, to be honest. See, long RR exited 4 times. Okay, and our long stop loss exited 4 times. So as we go here, see the plot. Let's see the plot. Yeah. So see the plot. So first trade here, good. Second trade profit. Third trade loss. Fourth trade profit here. See, and another trade here, profitable there. Another trade here. Yeah, it turned to loss there. Another trade here, loss here. So yeah, it's doing good. Now what I want to do now is like whenever we have the, so see here, right? So see here we got the long trade setup. So hang on. So see, we got the long trade setup, right? But it didn't exited it. We lost this trade, and like, you know, it exited there. So what we can do now, as we're going, as there's like new long trade entry, we exit our trade again there, right? So that's the improvement that we can do later on. And yeah, for now I think it's making money. Yeah, I mean to be honest, like it's really good on 4 hour, right? It's working good on 4 hour. Yeah, at the end of the day it's making money, you know. So yeah, and that's what, like, I'm gonna run this on 5x leverage, then you'll see uh, that like it works really good. Okay, so I'm gonna run it on 5x leverage. Stop loss, keep it to, instead of this, I keep it to this. All right, so let's see. So see right there, see the maximum profit that we got to was $5,000 with 5x leverage. You know, we still ended up with a profit though, but you can see the potential, you know. And what trade leads to that, it was you know, so you can adjust your trade parameters and see it, you know. What we can do is, like, I think trailing is stop loss or something would be good, but like you can see the maximum profit was $5,000, so it actually converted $1,000 to $5,400, so which is really good, you know. So this strategy, just like, you know, very simple strategy, is giving us profit, you know. And later on we're gonna add some confluence as well, so yeah, we're gonna see it later on. But for now, I think it's good. Hope you guys learned something, and let me know in the comments below if there's something else you want me to cover, any strategy. We'll code it. I'm gonna show you guys how to code it, test it on Freqtrade, and also like deploy it, you know. So where was that strategy that we deployed? See, this one we deployed, right, on 4 hour. Okay, so you can also access this stuff as well. That's what I'm telling you. All right, so yeah, hope you guys like the video. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and hit that like button, and follow me as I'll be like building courses, like, you know, basics of algorithmic trading, and also like teach you guys how to trade with Wyckoff methodology. So I hope I hope to see you guys there, and until then, happy trading, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.